Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Hi, here in this given problem, the first part, which is marked as question number 4, the two forces acting on an object F1 horizontal, that is the longer one, F2 this is the shorter one, and that is vertical. We have to find the third force applying which the object will be at rest. So first of all we find resultant of these two forces using parallelogram law of vector addition. This is the resultant of these two forces, so we should apply third force opposite to this resultant force, so this should be F3. So applying F3 in the given direction and having the given magnitude, the system will be at rest. So here we should mention to find the third force which will create equilibrium in the object. First we find resultant of the two given forces, and then a new force which is opposite to the resultant force. Will be actually the third force bringing the object at rest. So same explanation will work in all the three problems. The second one, that is question number 5, object is this, F1 is acting up, vertically up, F2 is acting vertically down, and this is smaller in magnitude than F1. So the resultant will be, means their subtraction, that will be towards F1. So here we can say this is F1 minus F2, which is the resultant. So the third force having same magnitude as F1 minus F2 but opposite in direction, it will be actually F3. So if we apply a force F3 like this, the object will come to rest. Then in the third question, this is the object, two forces acting on it, equal in magnitude, these two are F1 but the directions are different, F1 and F2. So first of all we find, using parallelogram law of vector addition, we find the resultant of these two forces, that is this. So the third force exactly opposite to the resultant, like this. So this should be the third force which will create an equilibrium in the object. Thank you.